Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to another question of Olympiad. You can see the 32 raised to the power root of x and under root of 256 power x. Here we need to find the value of this x. So how to find this value of x? First of all, you can see right hand side this 256 power x. Can we write this root is whole power 1 by 2? Everybody knows if any number, suppose we have a root of a. So how to write this root a? We will write this, what is the meaning of this root? This root implies that this root is equal to a power 1 by 2. This means its power is 1 by 2. Similarly, this root mean 1 by 2. We will write the 1 by 2 instead of this root. Now in the next step, 256 is as it is, and x into 1 by 2, we are using the law of exponent a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. So x into 1 by 2 is x multiplied by 1 by 2. It will be x1 ja x by 2. So you can write x by 2, 256 power x by 2. Similarly, you can see 32 power is root x. So we'll write this 32 instead of 2 power 5 root of x. Okay. Now you can see again we are using this law, exponent law. Here 5 into root x, power to power, it will be multiplied to root 2 raised to the power 5 root x. Okay. Now you can see 256. 256 if you multiply 2 8 times, so you'll get 256. 2 power 8. 2 power 8 value is 256. And here the x by 2, and here 2 power 5 root x is now as it is. After that 2 4s are 8. It will be cancelled by 4 times, and 4 into x, 2 power 4x and 2 power 5 root x. Now everybody knows if the base are the same. If the base are same, suppose we have, now we know that if the base are the same in left hand side and right hand side. Suppose we have a power m and right hand side is a power n. Now you can see the base are the same, so power should be equal according to exponential rule. So m equals to n. So you can see the 5 root x is equal to 4x. Okay. Now after that 5 root x equals to 4x. Here the root. So how to remove this root? We will do the squaring both side. 5 root of x square both side. So it will be 25, and this root is cancelled out by the square, into x equals to 4 4 is 16, x is x square. Now you can see 25x equals to 16x square we have. Okay, now this 25x come this side, right hand side. So here is 0. Okay, after that we'll take out the x is the common number. So remaining is 16x minus 25. Now you can see the x value. There are two values of x. First is the x equals to 0, and the second one we'll get here 16x minus 25. So you can see the x equal to 25 is equal to 0. This 16 minus 25 is equal to 0, and x equals to 0. One value is x equals to 0, and another value is 16x minus 25 equals to 0. So x equals to 25 goes that side, and here the 16x. So x value is 25 by 16. So we have two values, x equals to 0 and 25 by 16. So these are the two values of x in this question. But this value is correct or not, to check. How to check this? The answers. We'll put the values of x one by one in the given question. X equals to 0. First of all, check for x equals to 0. So 32 power root of x and root of 256 power x. This is our question. So put the value of x equals to 0, and here 256 equals to 0. So you can see the 256 power. If any number power is 0, so we are using the law of exponent. If any number power is 0, so the value is the 1. And 32 power root of 0. Root of 0 is 0. So again the number power is 0. If any number power is 0, it will also have 1, and root 1 is also 1. So you can see the our left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So our question will be verified. Okay, now check for the another value x equals to, for x equals to 25 by 16. So put the value both left hand side and right hand side. 25 by 16, and here 256, power is x 25 by 16. Now you can see 32, and this one is 25 and 16. Can we write this 25 and 16? 5 square upon 4 square. So these two square cancel this square root. So 32 power is 5 by 4 here. And in the right hand side you can see 256. So 256 can be write, this 256 is 2 power 8 is the 256. Whole power is 25 by 16. Okay, now this 8 is cancel out this 16. 8 2 ja 16. So you can see the 2 power 25 by 2 is remaining here. Now after that 32, we'll write this 32 2 power 5. 2 power 5, and outside is 5 by 4. Okay, or now you can see here 2 power 25 by 2, this is the square root, and we will write this root instead of 2 power 25 by 2 is as it is, and this root will use the power 1 by 2. Everybody knows the root value is power 1 by 2. So we are using the exponent law, power to power. So it will be 2 power 5 5s are 25 by 4, and you can see here 25 by 2 multiply by 1 by 2. These two numbers are multiplied together. So 2 power 25 1 ja 25, and 2 2 ja 4. And here left hand side is already will get 2 power 25 by 4. So our this value is also satisfied. So hope you have understood this question. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you and thanks for watching.